guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to blur background. Let's start. First of all, you need to import the video. I have already imported. Then go to the effects and select effects. Now add the blur effect. And drag it along the video. Now change the blurriness. Decrease it to around 40. Now import the video again to the timeline. Add the video again. Now go to the remove background and select auto removal. It will take some seconds. In this way, you can make a background blur of any video. Here's the result. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.